Okay, so main fuse removal for a 1993 Lexus 400. You want to take the cover off, which is found right next to the battery. After you, of course, take the battery out, you want to take this nut off right here. The nut right here is going to be a size 12, which looks like this right here. We're going to be changing a 120 amp fuse, which happens to be an alternator, which will be right here. And what I did is to take it off, you take the nut off, you pull this band towards you, and you'll eventually be able to pull the whole block off. Okay, after struggling for a little bit, as you can see, it's loose now. So we're gonna be taking these side panels off to expose the fuse that we're gonna be changing. There's gonna be a box on the side that you can flip up. You can see those. That's where you're gonna need to be. You're gonna not break, but you're gonna flex the two pieces out and it'll fly up like this. As you can see, I removed a bolt on the left side with a 8mm. Now for the left side, you need a tab like underneath, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take off the battery to go underneath a little easier. Okay, now with the battery out, we can go to work on getting this panel off. So for me, it was a combination of unhooking this, pushing, and then also pushing from the bottom to pop this off. It's kind of annoying, but as you can see, the bolts on the side are a different size, so we're gonna find that. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this fuse straight out. Okay, so after a little bit of persuasion with needle nose, got it out. Make sure you clean the little bits and pieces that break off if you have something like this. Now you got our new fuse seated in there. We're gonna push down soon, and most fuses for cars are bi-directional, so it doesn't really matter which direction you put them in. So make sure it's flush with the other ones, and we're gonna start reassembling our two sides. Once you got both sides secured, clip the things back on, and we're gonna start putting on our grounding. Push that pin down right there till it snaps. Make sure you put that piece on first, and then this one goes on top, and then the bolt. Right, with the bolt back on, let's put the battery back in and all these extra pieces, including the fuse box. Okay, and once again, because I changed specifically the alternator, I have to check the battery before and after driving around for a little bit, make sure that the connection's good. And right now we have a 12.64 volts, which is right around where we're supposed to be. And we're gonna check back after driving a little bit. Now, of course, it should start right up. Let's see. All right. Everything looks good. All right.